guys, and welcome back to my channel. So basically I'm just going to show you like my leave out right now, and with the back of my hair I'm just going to spray it down with some water and just put it in a low bun. I don't feel like doing any kind of braids or twist outs or anything of that nature underneath my wig, so low bun it is. This part is optional. Definitely can use a stocking cap if you want to. I think you should, but it's up to you. Now let's lay down those edges with some Argon oil gel, Eco Style gel, and just gonna spray it down with some water just so the gel can, get into those edges and make it very easy to lay down. So now that we have our edges together, just gonna grab something to lay my edges down and just to mold it until it dries and it is good to go. Now that we have our edges laid down, I'm just gonna take my mousse. I'm gonna take small sections because it'll dry a lot quicker if you do so. Take the ends of it and smooth it out, and I'm gonna take my small little perm rod and I'm just gonna twist it around the end so the ends can go ahead and curl with the unit. This option is yours. You can blow dry it or just let it air dry. I didn't have time, so I went ahead and just blow dry it a little bit and then let it air dry just a little bit until my makeup was done. Hey guys, and this is the final result of the wig. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. And I mean, look how fun and free-flowing it is. For a half synthetic wig, I mean, hands down, perfect. If you need to get your hair together and go, wig for you. Please check them out. I purchased this with my own money and I'm glad I did it because this is going to be my go-to for like the next couple days because I just get bored with my hair and sometimes I just don't feel like doing it and I need to go. But I mean, check out the back. The back is awesome. Like, I was a little alarmed by, as soon as you take it out of the package, you can see like sort of kind of like straight through it, like the wefts. It is a little thin, but does not matter. As soon as you put it on, can't even tell. When you have your wig on, once you put your stocking cap on, and then once you put the wig on, disappears, can't say anything. And as you can see throughout my little tutorial, you saw that I just left my edges out, laid that down, curled it in so it could sort of kind of mesh with this wig. And ladies, this is awesome. This is summer fun hair, okay? Like, I think I'm about to like go buy like 2 or 3 more. That's basically what I'm about to go do. And look how cute. It's so cute. I'm so excited about this. Like, it's free flow. It's so lightweight. I mean, this is synthetic, so I ain't gonna get carried away because I know I would just live in it. But shoot, I say you go ahead and just go for it. If you got the money to spend like that and go buy you another one and don't do it. I'm about to go buy me about 2 more. And this is just beautiful. Ladies, it's awesome. And I'm going to definitely put the description down below so you can go right to the link and purchase it for yourself. And you see what I'm talking about. This is awesome. Girl, I just can't get enough of myself. Okay, Jazz, I'll see you. All right, ladies. See you next time.